Let me start by saying this is not a how-to video. I bought this adventure kayak and I noticed that it had a slot for a Dagger board. So I researched what the Dagger boards look like. Found a guy on the Hobie Facebook page, and he sent me measurements. So through those measurements I decided I would make it out of PVC. I took some 2-inch PVC, slid it down the side, started heating it and flattening it with the board. Just work your way up 6-8 inches at a time until the whole board's flat like this. I used a straight edge to cut one end to get the forward edge, and then measure everything from there. Problem was it was too flimsy and the head was too small to get the whole head on it. So I decided to make it out of 1/2-inch cutting board. I used a foam insert for a pattern for the head, and here's the finished product. I also added these two little nubs up here on the top so it would have a pivot point and wouldn't follow through. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.